Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm Andy RC, and today's video is a follow-up from yesterday's video. So I reviewed the SkyStars RXT219, and it's a model that is covered in LEDs, and I did a line of sight of it, but it was in broad daylight, so you couldn't really see the LEDs. So the sun has gone down now, and I'm able to show them off, and hopefully the camera's going to pick them up. Oh man, it's so good. It looks great. So I got the turquoise here, even lights the battery up underneath. Now I reckon in this light I'd be struggling to see this thing. Yeah, it looks great. We got the LEDs on the back as well. Now those did not come out well on the camera yesterday, so let's see now. So it changes color on the throttle, and we've also got an indicator on the roll. Do you know what, I really like this model. It's a good price. I got a good one with the camera. I will link to the full review of it if you didn't see it, but it's just yesterday's video. Okay, I'm going to try something a bit daft now, and I'm going to try one of the other options. So we've got a button on the side here, and let's try one of those. So that's sort of like a slow fade. That shouldn't be too bad actually, but let's see what it's like in the sky. See if I can get it out of the grass quick enough. There we go. It's cool, it is cool. It'd be great if you could control that from your controller or something. But yeah, okay. Well, that's the pansy setting, isn't it? So let's just see if I can go full out, and let's see if we end up with a crash. So let's go with the fast flashing one. Oh man, that's giving me eyes. This video may contain flashing lights. Oh Jesus. I think the only reason I'm able to do this is because I can still see the model slightly, but oh, that's making my eyes funny. Yeah, I don't think I like that too much. But you know, if you're sort of flying with a bunch of you, then you know, you'll be able to see this guy no problem. But me and my old eyes, yeah, too much for me. Okay, let's go back to normal mode, and let's try a different color. So we got the red there, we got the green, we got the blue and the yellow, and then pink. A nice manly pink, why not? And let's go. Get it out of the grass. Yeah, this is awesome. I like it. Never been a big LED fan, but I have to say, this is really cool. I think, yeah, one of the questions that I saw is, can you make the colors different front to back? No, you are stuck with this little LED controller board, and from what I can tell, the colors are all the same. It'd be great if, you know, we had more options that, you know, we could pick from, so have different colors at the back and stuff. So, you know, the creator of this model, if you are listening, or the creator of this board, you know, I think there is a demand for this. And you know, maybe there are other boards out there, but I haven't really looked into it. But this thing, yeah, it really does look like a Christmas tree. Yeah, flies really well, this guy. And you know, going a bit further away than I usually would line of sight. This is usually when I crash. Yeah, that is cool. The problem is, if I do that, you won't see it on the camera. This is a wide angle camera. It's not a low light camera either, so probably struggling a little bit. But anyways, that's what it looks like in sort of dusk times. And the sun has gone down, but we've still got a little bit of light. I think the camera would struggle to pick anything up if I went for pitch darkness. Haha, look at that. This is a lot of fun. Oh man, this would be pretty good as we're heading towards the winter and it's getting dark quicker. Now, flying at dusk is all well and good and that, but what about proper darkness? I have no idea if this camera's going to pick anything up. Probably not. But wow. Wow. It's doing it. I think I'm going to crash. Oh wow, it is really, yeah. It's tricky on the orientation. Could we do a power loop? Lights the ground up. That's not coming through on the camera. Wow, yeah, this is cool. This is really cool. Let's flick it into angle mode and do a punch. Oh dear. Come back, there we go. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I don't know what else to say. I'm just about managing it. Okay, let's give this one a try. Very risky. We've got flashing lights now. Oh my god. But, do you know what? I think I'm doing it. Yes! This is coming up on the camera. Yeah, I could do a roll still, just about see it. Power loop. Oh, I think I'm gonna crash here, you know. Careful, careful. Yeah, nearly lost it then. Oh, orientation is so tricky. So there you go. That is night flying with the RXT219. It's pretty fun. You know, be careful though. It's so easy to lose your orientation. But that is the case in the daytime as well, isn't it? So we're basically just using the LEDs to fly. And if one of them fails, then you're gonna fail. Anyways, yeah, this is how it performs in the dark. If you wish to get one, I'll link it in the below. I think it's a really good model for the price. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.